If necessary, you can use the manual option to create a report. This option will most likely be used by smaller reporting entities or by entities who want to submit employee information for people who come on board during a school year. Using this method, you can create any of the 5 types of reports. In this lesson, you'll learn what the manual method of creating a report is and how to use that method to create a report. As with all 3 of the report creation methods, you start on the Create a New Report screen. To get to that screen, hover your mouse pointer over the Wage and Contribution Reporting menu, then select the Create and Maintain Reports option, or choose Create and Maintain Reports from the left navigation area. Now click the Create New Report Detail button. In the Report Creation panel, select the report period and type for the new report. In the Please Choose a Method for Populating Your Report panel, select Manual Entry, then click Next. The Edit Report screen appears. You must add detail records until the report is accurate and complete. To add a record, enter the Social Security number or TRS assigned temporary ID number of the employee or retiree for whom you are adding a detail record. If you're creating an RP report, the SSN or TRS temporary ID cannot be for a retired member. If you're creating an ER report, the SSN must be for a retired member. Also, if adding an employee to an RP report, the person's record must show they were employed by your reporting entity during the reporting period. To establish that the employee was employed by your reporting entity during the reporting period, submit an ED report that contains an ED40 record for them. You cannot submit an ED40 record for an employee until an ED20 record has been created for them, but you can submit both an ED20 and ED40 record in the same ED report. After entering the employee or retiree's SSN or TRS assigned temporary ID number, click Add. The employee demographic, regular payroll, or employment after retirement screen appears depending on the type of report you're creating. Select the appropriate record type for the new record. The screen reloads to display the fields applicable to that type. Enter the record details for the employee or retiree, then click Save. If any of the information entered is missing or incorrect, an error message appears that describes the issue. Correct the errors and save the record again. The Edit Report screen reappears. Repeat these steps for each record to add to the report. If you need to edit an existing record, but there are too many records shown to make it practical to find the record by scrolling through the list, you can filter the records to show records for just one employee. To do this, enter the Social Security number in the SSN or TRS temporary ID field, then click Search. Now only the records with a matching SSN will be displayed. You can then click the link in the SSN or TRS temporary ID column to open the record you want to edit.